Korean foods like kimbap, japchae, fish cake, tteokbokki, and everything. Meron din ditong takoyaki. Iba-ibang flavors yan. And then, ayan, nag-explore lang kami ng mga foods. And then, yung pamangkin ko nagpabili ng coconut juice. So, ayan. So, happy naman siya for today's video. And, syempre, hindi mawawala ang ihaw-ihaw like isaw, dugo, tenga ng baboy, hotdog, barbecue. And then, ayan, namili lang kami one of each of this para lang matikman. And meron din ditong fried noodles. And then, meron din sila ditong candy-like fruits desserts. And yeah, ayan yung mga tinda nila dito sa rainforest. And ganito nga pala yung itsura niya pag gumabi na. Ayan, may mga ilaw na rin dito. Ayan, ganyan lang kadami yung stalls na nilagay nila sa harap ng rainforest. That's it for today's video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!